So just going to try this one out today. Basically again, an Arapuca trigger, but it's in a hole in the ground with this kind of mesh covering, so it will still work as a cage. I don't know how promising it's going to be today, because the strange thing is I've not seen a single pheasant anywhere at all. Now normally in this area I'll see them straight away and I see them all the time, and a couple of times I set this out, not this but set the other one out, and got stuff within 10 minutes, half an hour, but I haven't seen a single one around today, so I don't know, but I'll try it. Like I said, basically an Arapuca trigger, but it's holding up this kind of cage top. Oh, I've got the stove pipe type trap there set up as well. Like I said, it should still work as a cage because it's in a pit in the ground, but we'll see. Right, if I get anything I'll show you, if I don't, then I'll let you know later. But like I said, I don't know because I haven't seen nothing round today. Right, so I've just been watching a load of pheasants. There's one there, look, you can just see it. Just about to see that pheasant there? Been watching a load of pheasants all around here, and they must have set the trap off, but it's landed badly, so he obviously just about to get out. But it looks like that might have worked had it not have bounced forward. That's the only problem. But it looks like they would have gone in it though. And again, the stovepipe trap, nothing in it again. Not even gone in, not even attempted to go in there. It looks like that would have worked had it not have jumped forward.